Efficiently managing and scaling your Firebolt engines is crucial for optimizing performance and resource utilization in your data warehouse. In Firebolt, you can easily create, delete, start, stop, and resize your engines using SQL. This means that you can embed your engine scaling operations directly in the code of your data application and tune your performance down to the second. This flexibility allows our customers to cut their compute costs by 30 to 40% while maintaining sub-second query response times. Let's take a look at how it works. To create an engine using the SQL API, use the create engine command. You can specify the engine type, number of nodes, and clusters. This command will create an engine. After creating your engine, use the start engine and stop engine commands in order to start or stop your engine. It takes between 10 and 20 seconds for your engine to start, which allows you to quickly adjust your compute resources based on your needs down to the second. Resizing engines is equally quick. Firebolt's multidimensional elasticity means you can scale your engines up and out to support a variety of complex analytical workloads. Scaling up changes the engine type. In this example, we are increasing the engine size from S to M. Scaling out adds additional nodes of the same type. In this example, we are adding a second node of type M. Both of these operations allow you to adjust your engine size dynamically based on down-to-the-second changes in your user's query patterns. Firebolt also supports automatically stopping and starting your engine. This provides you with ultimate flexibility for managing your resource usage. By creating an engine using the auto start equals true option, you ensure that the engine will only begin running when a user submits a query. You can also configure how long an engine will continue running without receiving a query using the auto stop option. In this example, we will alter the ultra-fast gaming analytics engine so that it will stop after 30 minutes of inactivity. If you no longer need your engine, for example, if you have spun up a temporary ingestion engine, you can submit the stop engine command through SQL. Once again, stopping the engine takes only a matter of seconds.